Evening, friends. Welcome to ISFS. This is your host Anand Pandya, the co-founder and director for ISFS. So today evening we are going to talk about a different form of exercise which is going to be very useful for a lot of things. We have a very special guest for the same. We'll wait for her to come online. So I've sent her the request.
Hello, beautiful evening, Bindu. How are you?
I'm good, Anand. How are you?
Very good, thank you. So I'll first
Is it
introduce
all
you to. It's clear. It's
okay?
perfectly clear.
Okay.
You
Okay.
are you can be in the center of the screen. You're slightly on the right side.
Okay, let's do that. Is this better?
Perfect. Yes.
Okay.
And we have our equipment in the background. Lovely. So let me
Yes.
introduce you to all the viewers today. Friends, that's Bindu Murthy for all of you. She is a NASM certified fitness coach. She is the only internationally certified advanced TRX trainer in India. She's undergone trainings at US, UK, Denmark, and Asia. And she conducts workshops and trainings with clients of all fitness levels. So welcome, Bindu. It was pleasure connecting with you after so many years.
I
Uh,
know. Thank you. Likewise.
Yes, and so friends, as you see that piece of equipment behind Bindu, that is TRX, and we are going to talk about TRX today. A lot of people are this training has been there for a while, but people are not aware how to use it. So, can you tell our
Right.
guests what does TRX stand for?
Okay. So TRX stands for total body weight. R is resistance training. So it's
Okay,
total body
lovely.
weight resistance training where you
Hmm.
use your entire body weight against gravity to do all your exercise. When I say all your exercises, it's like everything you do weightlifting in the gym. And you'll be surprised, there are more than 300 exercises on that piece of equipment right there.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Very truly, I have seen that equipment a lot of time. I have it in the gyms, but I have hardly utilized it. So I'm very excited about today's session because I want to learn what is TRX and maybe
Yes.
come to one of your classes and learn from you. So what is
Yes,
it that attracted?
absolutely.
What is it that attracted you to TRX?
So
I know
my
you were a gym
journey,
goer and you were
yeah.
exercising, doing weight training, cardio, and everything. I've seen you exercising. What attracted
So
you to
just like
TRX?
So just like anybody, I was a regular gym goer, always into fitness, just keep moving, keep fit. I think
Right.
2017, when I was exposed to TRX training, I think what blew my mind was, first of all, it is just less than a kg. Fitness, use your core. The core is challenged in all your workouts. So you can do your triceps,
Right.
biceps, everything, all your workouts on one piece of equipment. And it is great for your balance and stability. So if my core is strong, right, core is your
Right.
powerhouse, your balance, your stability, and then you can work from you can take it up to performance based training, like from very simple exercises. I just changed. So in my class, if there are 10 people, all fitness levels, all, if they're doing squats, they could be from beginners to very, very high performance athletes. That's the beauty. It's for
Wow.
everybody.
Lovely. That's wonderful. So we have Ajay
Yes.
online. Ajay Marwa, thank you so much for connecting me and Bindu and
Yes.
introducing us.
Hi,
Uh,
Ajay.
Thanks to Ajay, we have the session today. Uh, so that's wonderful. Like all kind of people can do this. I have my next question. How did TRX
Okay.
originate? What's the history of TRX?
Okay. So TR okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I
Can
can
you
hear
hear?
you. Yes, I
Okay.
can perfectly hear you. Ajay, can
Okay.
you hear both of us? Viewers, if you can hear both of us and see both of us, please confirm. Just type in the comment.
I think they can.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're perfect. In between, there is some lag, but it's pretty okay.
That,
Yes,
yeah,
you can
that's
go ahead.
normal. So TRX was invented by US Navy SEAL Randy Hetrick, and this is around 2004. And the history is, you know, uh, being in US Navy SEAL, you always have to keep moving. You have to keep your fitness levels very, very high. So he
Correct.
came up with this, he used some jiu-jitsu belts and couple of things, invented something, threw it up somewhere. He started all the pulling and all the exercises, and he figured it doesn't matter what conditions you are, wherever you are in the world, you can stay fit anytime, anywhere. And then he quit. He went to Stanford, and then the whole product, this beauty, came out. So that's the
Wow, that's
history.
wonderful.
Navy
That's
SEAL, the Navy
very
SEAL
cool.
guy. So you can imagine the fitness level.
Superb. So is TRX training recommended for beginners also who are just starting with their fitness journey?
Absolutely. The beauty of TRX is because there is support. You can hold the handles right there. You can see the bottom, the handles. It's from very beginners. And when I say
Okay,
beginners who have never worked out, okay, so there's
right.
nothing scary. From advanced level athletes, the top level athletes, Super Bowl players, the footballers, golfers, all across the world use this piece of equipment. And also, it is used in rehab. So if you have injuries, sports injuries or any kind of injury, you get onto the straps because it makes you mobile. There's a lot of balance, and there are a lot of benefits when it comes to physiotherapy and recovery.
That's wonderful. That's
So
super.
everybody.
So coming from a gym background, I'm interested to know, does TRX also help build muscles?
Yes. So eventually, why? Because you are using your body weight against gravity. So when you say muscle, it's lean muscle. Yes, absolutely. Obviously, you cannot bulk up because the maximum you lift is your body weight.
Right,
So
right.
yes, definitely muscle.
Super. Thank you for that. And a lot of senior citizens are also exercising nowadays. So can this exercise, this TRX training help them?
Yeah, absolutely. Anybody, senior citizens, I've trained, a lady who was 70 years old, a golfer, and she
Wow.
went onto the straps, learning from squatting to lunging to everything. Because if you see, grow older, you lose a lot of balance and stability, right? As we get older. This is amazing when it comes to balance and stability. So yes, even children, anybody.
Lovely. So, 90, almost 90% of our crowd and our population is interested into weight loss when they start exercising.
Right, right.
90% people just are thinking about that. So, how does
Yeah.
TRX help in having weight loss?
Okay, so if you see, TRX is functional training, and it when you do series of workouts on it, you can design the program, be it cardiovascular, endurance, strength, and it actually changes your metabolism. So when your
Okay.
metabolism changes, definitely you are looking towards weight loss, leaner, toning, just everything in it.
Right. So, that that stripe of TRX, how much weight can it lift? So, a person being how
Okay,
much weight? So, somebody is 100 kgs or he's
okay.
110 kgs. What is the limit?
So let's take a guess from the viewers. What do you think, guys?
Wow. Yes, yes.
Let's
Please, viewers,
just
we have Pratik also online.
that's
Pratik, how much weight do you think TRX can lift? Rugved? Oh, we have Saif online. Hello, Saif. Anshu, Anant. Guys, take a guess. How much weight can this TRX band lift? I'm, I think 150. I guess 150 kgs.
uh,
So,
yeah. So it's around 350 pounds. 350. So yeah,
anybody, please just type in the
around that
comment, guys,
much.
if you have any guess.
So there, Ajay goes 350 pounds.
Lovely, wonderful, good one, Ajay. Ajay is from fitness industry, guys. He is a
Yes.
great fitness
Yeah.
enthusiast. That's wonderful. So, which TRX system is the best?
So there are different kinds. What they have right now is TRX Home 4. So Home 2 system, which is if you're using for your personal use at home anywhere, and then commercial use, they do have Pro and Tactical, which are more for commercial use. So
Okay,
there are multiple available, but these are the systems right now, and they always keep improvising and new ones come out. So home
Super.
too, I would say for personal use, yes.
Wonderful. I think we should have done this session earlier because this was the perfect time. This is when gyms are closed and people are working out at their
Exactly.
houses. TRX, man, that
That's
was the
that's
idea.
all
That
you
guy,
need.
that's all you need.
That's
Yes,
it. You don't need anything. Yeah.
and you can do everything. So, is this equipment functional in terms of adjusting the difficulty and the size of belts that fit our parameters?
Yes, absolutely. So we always begin with perfect form. So once you master the foundation of the form, you can change the intensity. When I change the intensity, all I have to do is I just change the body angle. So if I'm holding the handles and my feet are on the ground, I just have to change that angle to make it more difficult. So it's like from 5 kgs to 10. The steeper the angle is, the harder it is because it's harder to lift that much against gravity. And
Right.
also to challenge further, once everything is right, you can just hold it one single hand or do exercise with one single leg. So that changes everything, the intensity,
Wow.
difficulty, whatever. Yeah.
Super. So, how often should we practice TRX? Like, what should be the regularity of this exercise? Can it be done every day?
So there's no hard and fast rule. I would say you begin with twice a week so that you get into learning the movements. And once you get into it 3 to 5 times, and every time you can just do it different way. One day could be strength, one day could be lot of mobility and flexibility, the whole series. The other day could be, cardiovascular endurance. And so 3 to 5 days, I mean, there's nothing like which day you cannot do. So it
Wow.
depends on your
So
fitness level again.
wonderful. And so, almost all components of fitness are covered in TRX. Uh,
Yes.
is this better now? I see you have hanged it on I think a bar. So,
Yes.
is it better to be mounted on a wall or a ceiling, or do we need a bar like this?
So I'll tell you different ways. You can even first, let's begin home. So even in a hotel room or at home, you just throw it around the door, shut it the door towards you, you're ready to go. So first is room. Secondly, something like an anchor point, where this should be hanging. It should be 7 to 9 feet above the ground. Okay. So
Okay.
that much
Okay.
height you need. So it could be here, it could be tree on a tree trunk. So you can do it vertically or horizontally or even on the wall. So wall, ceiling, um, anywhere
Anyway,
in the park. Yeah.
that's
So
such a
very versatile.
yeah. So, guys, till the gyms open up, I think this is the best way to train. I'm so excited to get one and start training myself. How does TRX help in athletic training, like tennis, golf?
Okay. So in a lot of athletic training, if you see, we need to have a lot of good balance, stability, and core strength, right? So because
Yeah,
if you see tennis, golf, everything is rotation, everything is a lot of core strength. So in TRX, all the workouts you do, you have to involve your core. So there is not even a single workout where you're not using your core in any of the exercise. So core strength, balance, stability, and power. So when you get into, a lot of people must be knowing, single leg squats or single arm bicep curls. So you get your strength, you get your, you know, all the training that athletes need. So depending on their need, be it swimmer, golfer, tennis, you just design it accordingly and they're good to go.
wonderful. Uh, how much does this equipment cost?
Okay, so because I am,
Say the home version of it.
yeah, a very basic one, $180 to $300. So if you convert, it's around 18,000 plus your taxes and everything. But the beauty is it has 5-year warranty and it comes, with a code. When you buy the original, you get a library of exercises, which are great. And the support system behind TRX is amazing. So I would recommend, buying TRX
So
and
when
care.
you buy it, you also get a book or a CD along with that, where
Uh,
you can.
Everything is online. So when you use that code, immediately you have all the access, the access is online. Yeah, CD used
So
to be like 10, 15 years back.
there's
Yeah.
that, yes. Okay, that's wonderful. Wow. So, guys, that's going to be my next piece of equipment I'm going to try in. Thank you, Bindu, for introducing us to TRX.
Thank
We'll
you.
move for questions from our guests, so from our viewers.
Okay.
So, viewers, if you have
Okay.
any questions regarding, I have cleared all my doubts and I'm excited to start with this training of TRX. If any of our viewers, do you have any questions for Bindu, please type it in the comments and we'll request Bindu to answer the same. Until our guests can type in their questions and we'll come back to that. Till then, we'll go for the rapid fire round, which we keep a very nice change of mood kind of thing online. So, where I'll shoot questions at you and you just answer quickly whatever comes to your mind. It's just a fun thing. Till our guests can type in their questions and we'll come back to the questions. All right, Bindu, are you ready?
I'm scared, but it's okay. I can
Very, very
explain.
easy, very simple
We'll do
thing.
it.
Yeah. So I have seen you doing weight training, amazing weight training, and
Thank you.
cardio, and you are doing really good in the gym. So, so what do you like prefer more, TRX or weight training or in the gym?
Okay, so it's a combination of both, all right. But
Right.
now, because I'm so much into it, I love TRX because it works on all aspects, and I don't need a gym if I travel or I'm anywhere. It's just this much, this in a bag, okay? It's just less than a kg. So yes, for me, it's TRX right now.
Wow. What is your what kind of music do you prefer to play when you're doing your workout of TRX?
So when I'm doing my workout, I play hip hop or I steal the music list from my children. So yes,
That's
that's
wonderful.
what I listen to. You know, just the tempos there. So
From all these students that you have, what is the most emotional or the touching experience that you've had with your student of a TRX or while you train people?
So I think for me, when I teach, it's a lot out of passion. It's not always about weight loss. It's how fit they can get, move. So there's this client of mine who came to me 2 years back when TRX was barely, it's still new, and I had just started a couple of years back. She had a lot of shoulder issues. She could not, frozen shoulder and no mobility, not much, just little bit this much. I just told her, give me 1 month with you, just believe. And we kept working same class, but I used to give her, regression, like step back and do the workout, which worked better for her. And you would not believe, and her dedication and belief in me, that she today on TRX, she can do push-ups. So push-ups means you put your feet in the foot cradle, your just feet are
Yeah,
not touching the ground, and you do push-ups on the floor, which is much harder. And I think that is an achievement. If somebody can move better, feel better, I think that is something that I look for.
that is so wonderful. And yes, being in the fitness industry, it really changed people's lives. So glad to hear
Yes.
something like that. Now comes to your diet. So I remember seeing you, I think 2010. And since
Right.
then till now, you look the same. Same, I
Oh,
think.
thank you.
So,
10 years now.
yeah, almost 10 years. So, tell me, I'm sure with exercise you're following a good diet. So, I would like to know what is your favorite dessert on
Okay,
the
let
cheat
me tell you
days?
guys, there are no cheat days for me. I eat home cooked or even outside. I don't create a lot of stress around food, but when
Right.
it comes to dessert, it's anything to do with chocolate, dark chocolate.
Ah,
So
well,
just anything with chocolate is my thing.
wonderful. So glad to know that. Now, I know, and I have, after we even talked, I connected with a lot of friends, and a lot of friends idolize you as a fitness model. And now looking at you today, I just saw you after 10, 11 years and you are so fit. I am so
Thank
happy
you.
and I like you too.
TRX.
TRX. So
Okay.
who is your fitness idol?
Okay, so I'll tell you, I love watching sports. Okay, so for me, fitness idol is a combination of, for me personally, is sports and fitness. So my all-time favorite is Michael Jordan, NBA. the basketball player. I mean, amazing to get to
Amazing.
that level, mental and physical fitness.
So true.
That's who I idolize.
Wonderful. Yes. And I used to play basketball in my college days. So yes, he was favorite for everybody in basketball. One. We have a question. So
Yeah,
that was rapid fire round, Bindu. See, you did excellently well and shared such wonderful experience with us. Thank you so much. We have Vipul Lunawat asking a question. Vipul
okay,
he's my partner at ISFS and connected
okay,
to run a fitness school called ISST. So his question is again, I think
okay.
he missed that. How will TRX help in improving the sports strength for sports in people?
Okay, so when you look at sports, okay, it's just not, bulking up. It's how quick you move, right? It's your agility, your strength, your balance and stability and core strength. So in TRX, the way we design, it takes your heart rate really up. Like you can get your endurance and cardiovascular because even if you're doing a bicep curl or anything, your whole body is engaged. So many more muscle recruitment. Also for athletes, we get into unilateral or single-sided training because we always have one weaker side. So when you get into unilateral training, it really changes everything for the athlete. So rotational power, core strength, unilateral training, and just balance everything. So
That
so
is so
that's how I would
important.
say.
I see a lot
Yes.
of people
And
when they start, one side is always weaker than the other side.
yeah.
So, superb. I guess, Vipul, I hope that answers your question. We have someone writing training by Just saying that so good to see you, Bindu. Hope to see you live soon. Yes, I am also hoping to see one of our classes live soon.
Uh, she's my friend from Denmark. So last year in Denmark, the CEO Randy Hedrick was there, and she's a lovely person. Love to you, Jess.
Wonderful. So thank you, Bindu. Thank you for making time and coming on the show today and introducing us to TRX. I'm so excited because I remember we had this band in 2010 also in our gym. But I see this band in a lot of gyms, but people don't really use it because people are not aware of this. I
Yes,
hope this session
absolutely.
helps with awareness for TRX because it's such a wonderful thing, so handy. You can carry it anywhere and do such wonderful exercises. And ISFS that we have started is ISST School of Fitness Sciences. We have distance education and classroom programs. So I hope I get in touch with you and we can work out something where we start TRX training for people. Because a lot of cities,
Definitely. I mean,
yes, I just came to my mind. So I'll speak to you later on this. And thank you for
yes,
making time
yes.
and being on the show today and introducing us to TRX. Thank you very
A-
much.
And thank you everyone for taking out time and watching the session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yes, and, for we are also going to share this on the YouTube link later on Facebook and everywhere. So people who have missed it, a lot of people are busy at 5 o'clock. Maybe they can watch it
Right.
later.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Bindu. Thank you
Anand.
for coming.
Yeah. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.